Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word Bedeck. Bedeck has two syllables and we pronounce it as Bedeck. 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 Now let's understand its meaning. Bedeck means to decorate or adorn something with a lot of fancy or beautiful things. It's like dressing up or adding special decorations to make something look really nice and pretty. The example sentences are: number 1, Sarah likes to bedeck her hair with pretty ribbons. Number 2, let's bedeck the room with balloons for the party. Synonyms of bedeck are decorate, beautify, ornament. Antonyms are simplify, plain, disrobe. The first form is bedeck, the second form is bedecked, and the third form is bedecked. Common preposition used with this word is with. The other prepositions are bedeck in and bedeck on. Thanks for watching.